Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here again with a recipe all on your demand of showing some easy and delicious iftar snack recipe. And when we say iftar snack, it really has to be something simple and delicious so that we can really finish it quickly and have some yummy snacks for iftar, right? And so this is chicken bread bites, which is just bite size but then filled with full of flavors and delicious filling. So I really want you guys to try on this recipe. And for those who are new to my channel, I welcome you all. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my coming uploads. And as always said, ingredients are given at the description box below and also the extra notes, so please do check it out from there. And let's have a look at the ingredients, what we need to make this delicious filling. And here, as you can see, I have taken the cooked chicken breast, which was around 500 grams. They are cooked with these ingredients given here, and you have to shred them well. And here I have 3 large onions finely chopped, and this is 1 medium capsicum finely chopped again, and this is lots of coriander leaves, which is more than 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder freshly ground, and this is half a teaspoon of garam masala or allspice, and this is 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I have taken around 3 tablespoons of oil, and salt will be very little as chicken already has salt in it. And now let's begin to make the filling. In a non-stick pan, I have taken the oil. Once it was hot, added the chopped onions, and to speed in the process of frying the onions, I have added the salt. And once they were translucent, which was within 4 to 5 minutes, you can add the bell peppers and mix them well. And in again 2 minutes, you can add the ginger garlic paste, and now it gives that good nice flavor. And now mix it well. Here you'll be adding the garam masala powder and the pepper powder. Here one extra ingredient what I have used is Maggie magic masala. For those who all are watching me from India can get this easily, but then this is totally optional. That is just to add some extra flavor and it gives a good taste. And here now you have fried them for just 2 minutes, and then again you have to add the shredded chicken. Mix it well. Giving it a good mix is very important as you want the chicken to be coated well in the masala. And in 2 to 3 minutes again, as your chicken is already cooked, you do not have to wait too long, and add lots of coriander leaves, and then here is your super filling ready, and you can use this in anything. And now I have all these ingredients in which I'll be showing you how I made the bread pockets. Now here I have taken the bread slices as many as you require, and just trim the sides and cut them into half triangle. And then this is the filling what we just made. And here I have taken 1 egg with around 2 tablespoons of milk and just whisked it well. And here this is the bread crumbs. And here let me also show you what the sides of the edges, do not waste them. You can make them fresh homemade breadcrumbs. Many of you might already know that, but then just showing it what I did with the bread edges. And here you can see how in a bowl I have kept some water and then dipping the bread there, and you have to squeeze well so that the bread slice is dry again. And here you'll be needing to do this process so that you can fold them in any shape what you require. And now the most difficult part is explaining this process in words. I hope you can see it in the video clearly how I am just trying to fold it and make a cone shape. This is because you can, when the pockets are square, you might wonder why did I have to cut this into triangle and then fold it this way. I just did that because you might not have enough space to fill the filling when you do it into half. So let me again show you. This was the fast forwarded one, but I'll again show you how we fold them carefully. And here you do not require any kind of gluing agent. You can just stick them with the water. And then now you have seen I have just folded them, and then here you have to press it well so that it doesn't open while frying. In case it has any kind of opening, you can just again use some water and seal it. so that the filling doesn't come out. Press it well, but be gentle also, as the bread, once you dip it in the water, is very delicate. And give a good press, keeping it on your palm. And once that is done, dip it in the egg and then the breadcrumbs. Here you can see it was just still opening, and then I just gave a gentle pinch on the opening. And here these were done already, and then I was showing again some more for you guys. So again, dip it in the egg, again the breadcrumbs, and here all your chicken bread bites were ready. And this was Ayan and Arham, my little master chefs, who were trying to help me out while making these. Trust me, you do include your kids, it will be helpful for you, and also they will enjoy. And here all were done, and then they were going into the freezer. And then aren't they looking super cute? They are square in shape, bite-sized with delicious filling. Do try it out, guys. And then now let me fry some for you and then show it. Now in a deep wok, you can take oil, and once it is on medium hot, just drop the bread bites, and then in 2 to 3 minutes it will be ready if your flame is on high to medium. Do not keep it on a very high flame, because it would turn it into dark brown, and obviously it would turn dark. And now here my bread bites were ready, and I was just taking it out on a kitchen towel. And then here let me show you also how crispy they are from outside. I mean the outer texture. You can just hear this now. And then now I'm sure you must be sure that how crispy they are from outside. And here I really want you guys to give a try on this. And this is how it looks from inside. The stuffing was really delicious, and the outer layer of the bread was really crispy, and this will surely make your iftar a easy one and a delicious one too, as I always said. So trust my words and do not wait to make this. Make this today on your iftar, and let me know in the comments below if you really loved it or not. And do hit a thumbs up if you loved watching my recipe. So coming to our extra points, make sure you use a fresh and soft bread so that it doesn't break while you fold them into the desired shape. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I really hope you all have subscribed to the channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.